Thank you for purchasing a set of SmartCap Load Bars. This video is designed to help you properly assemble and install your new rack, ensuring the ultimate in performance. Please carefully follow these instructions to avoid damage to the rack or your truck. Assembly is quite simple. All you need is a 13mm box wrench, a 2.5mm and a 5mm Allen wrench, and a tape measure. First, remove the load bars from the packaging. You will notice they come pre-assembled with the hardware tightened. Using the 13mm box wrench, partially loosen the M8 weld nuts and nylock nuts so that the mounting feet can slide easily in the channel. If you are mounting the load bars to a SmartCap, take a 2.5mm Allen wrench and remove the rear end caps fastened to the roof rails and set them aside. Insert the front load bar into the roof rails until both feet are installed, then slide it forward. Repeat this process for the rear load bar. Use a tape measure to properly position each load bar, then firmly tighten all the hardware with a 13mm box wrench. Finally, reinstall the rear end caps. Your load bars are now fully installed and ready for action. Should you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to contact us. SmartCap.